I'm Aaron Pritchett, and this is Around the Yard at NNS. An aircraft carrier is an impressive sight to behold, and just thinking of building one is even hard to comprehend. But shipbuilders here at Newport News Shipbuilding proudly come together each and every day to bring these mighty ships to life. From its iconic island, its lengthy flight deck, and a variety of compartment spaces and living quarters that make it home to the sailors that serve aboard them. But there's also one important feature on main deck, also known as hangar bay, that is often overlooked, but plays a vital role, and it recently went through the testing phase on the new John F. Kennedy CVN 79.
Going open. Today we're here on main deck, which is the hangar bay, and division doors. We're testing in on speed, functionality, to make sure everything's right. So when the test procedure guys come in and they just start doing their testing, we know that everything's going to work smoothly for the testing. Division doors are an intricate part of the hangar bay because if there were to be a fire in either hangar bay 1 or hangar bay 2, we can snuff off the fire between the two hangar bays to keep it from spreading. It's a sense of completion, and then, like I said, I see these doors run all the time, but then I see people coming down main deck that they're new into the shipyard, and they see these things running, and they're just in awe of how big they are and how fast they move. The pride and passion in it is, at the end of the day, I know I've done my best, and I'm keeping our young men and women in the Navy safe when they're out on deployment.